Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another adventure with Uphill Outdoors. We're at Pickwick Landing State Park in Counce, Tennessee this weekend. I've got my wife with me and some friends to join us for doing a little bit of camping up here. We're going to try to get out and visit a catfish restaurant nearby. We stopped at Subway on the way up to camp, grabbed a couple sandwiches. So now we're going to sit down and eat our lunch while waiting on some more friends to get up to camp this afternoon. This evening, we're going to go out to eat at a catfish restaurant nearby. All right, everybody's here now. We are on our way over to the catfish restaurant, and it's about 20 minutes from camp. All right, guys, we're about to eat an early dinner. We are right on the banks of the Tennessee River. And the restaurant is back up there. It's called Hagy's Catfish Hotel. It's been here since 1938. It's been, actually wasn't a hotel years and years ago. It's been washed away a couple times. This river floods quite often. It is controlled by dams. But we're gonna go in here and have some catfish and hush puppies and see you guys a little bit later. You ready to eat some catfish?
Ready to eat some catfish. Let's do it.
All right, we're at Hagy's Hotel, Catfish Hotel. And there's the catfish. Fries over here. My wife's wanting to see her potato. I did. Thank you. All right, we're going to eat. Dinner was delicious at Hagy's Catfish Hotel, but the unfortunate part, to get back to camp, we have to drive past this pulp and paper manufacturing facility, and it smells horrible. All right, guys, we just got back to camp and had a really good dinner at Hagy's Catfish Hotel. And I've got to get everything set up in the back of the truck. I just kind of threw everything in there real quick this morning before heading out. But it is obviously gotten dark and the temperatures are dropping. Today started off in 50s and it's supposed to get down in the 20s tonight. So we'll get started setting up and I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'll show you guys inside of this setup. So I've got double beds for me and my wife. I just put an extra platform under here. And it should be warm and cozy with the diesel heater coming out right there. Sorry guys, I'm not sure what happened to my recording, but we sat around the fire for a couple hours just talking. All right. Here we go. We got a little late night snack out here by the campfire. This is Rodney's dip. And we're all getting a small portion of it.
Looks delicious.
Ah. Oh, not very graceful. Carrie will share this.
Okay. Do you have any chips on that plate?
All right, who's next?
Well,
I'll go.
Do you want me to hold the Lauren?
Sure.
We have these ones. Just
Okay, that's fine.
Do we leave the spoon in it?
We're sitting out here by the campfire, and the smoke is just choking us all out. But we're trying to deal with it because it's quite cold out here. All right, guys, we've climbed into the back of the truck. We had a good evening hanging out with some friends and just having a good conversation around the fire. It got pretty cold tonight. I think it's down in the 20s, but like I said, we're in the back of the truck. The diesel heater is going. It's nice and warm in here. And we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Well, we all slept pretty well last night. It's definitely getting cold out here. I think it's 15 degrees, 17 degrees out here. The diesel heater kept it really warm inside the back of the truck, maybe too warm. We're gonna be getting up here shortly, getting some coffee made, and I think we're gonna go over to the lodge and have breakfast. Tell you guys, if you don't have a diesel heater, you need to go out and get one. This thing is kept the back of our truck as warm as we want it all night. It's about 15 degrees out here right now, and starting to see some snow flurries fall. Anyway, this is the H Calorie TB2. It's a great little heater. So if you're looking for one, you might check them out. All right, there's camp this morning. We'll walk up here to the bathhouse and let's check it out and see what the facilities are here. So again, this is Pickwick Landing State Park. There's a little site right here to the side. This is site 28. Let's check this out real quick. I almost grabbed this site, but I wasn't so sure. The description didn't have it. It's labeled as very flat. It's got a slight incline. So, yeah. So these sites have water and power, no sewer. There's a dump station for the ones with RVs at the exit. There's your water there, a little picnic area. Power. Yeah, so the women's restroom is right there. That might have been pretty good for my wife. Just walk back around front. There's trash cans. So the front of the building is like individual shower stalls. Let's take a look at one of them. So, typical state park shower stall. Get the shower, a little bench changing area. It is warm in here. All right, just go right into the restroom. This has got a bottle filler. It's nice. The men's restroom. Looks like 2 regular stalls, 1 handicap stall, urinals, and then your sinks, and mirrors, hand dryers. No paper towels. Okay. playground for the kids. And way off in the distance, right back there, that's the front office, I guess, where you check in, coming in the gate. They also sell firewood in bundles as you come in too. So that's those little buildings right there. I want to get a good look at this site down here. This site backs right up to the one I'm in. Ooh, guys, it is cold out here. So this is site 16. You're not putting a camper in here. This is a very, very short one. I mean, my truck alone would take up almost half this space, if not most of it. The ground's kind of uneven. That little hump right there probably keep your truck from being too level. I think that's a handicap spot up there. It's all paved. All right, just cut through here back to the truck. So if you're wondering why the back of my tent is all cockeyed, I think my wife, she pulled it down in the middle of the night when she had to get up and go out, and that's why it's all wacky like that. All right, I'm gonna go check on her and see if I can get some coffee going. See you in a little bit. Coffee time. Yeah, we're cheating, making coffee with the Keurig guy here. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Actual. 8 p.m. Here you go. Kim, you're welcome to have frozen cookies. I might have to steal a cup of coffee from you too. Do it, man. Do it. We got plenty. Look, we got plenty of coffee, creamer, water. I'm excited.
Did you put my creamer in it?
I did not do anything to it. There you go. Lauren has earned her polar bear patch. I think you've earned yours before, Kim, but we could re-recognize you.
Goodness.
It might.
All right, guys, we just finished up coffee, and we're gonna start breaking down camp, get everything packed up, and go over to the lodge. They have a restaurant over there. We're gonna have some breakfast, warm up. Not sure it's showing up yet, but it's starting to snow pretty good now. We expected the cold weather on this trip, but not the snow. Kind of a pleasant surprise. We enjoyed it. Sorry I didn't film a whole lot on this trip. We just kind of hung out and enjoyed each other and had some good conversation. Just got done eating breakfast at the lodge. It was a pretty good meal. I had a Western omelet, and some bacon, some coffee. And that wraps up the trip. There's the crew. Heading back to Memphis. See ya.